morning, grade 3. Today we're going to be looking over the steps of doing a comprehension. Step 1, read aloud. Read through the passage aloud to yourself. Step 2, examine the questions. Read through the questions carefully. Number 3, read through the passage again, this time keeping an eye out for the answers. So it's find the answers. Number 4, underline the answers. So go through the passage with a color pencil, crayon, and underline the answers. Number 5, write your answers in full sentences. Right, so grade 3s for step 1, read aloud. You're going to go through the passage, the letter A, and read it from beginning to end carefully aloud to yourself. For step 2, examine the questions. You're going to go through the questions given to you carefully. Read. Question 1, which score could you not get on a test? Number 2, which a word means a person who goes into space? Right. For number 3, you're going to read through the passage again, this time keeping in mind the questions that you've read through, making sure your eyes are darting around to find the answers. Number 4, underline answers. Right, this part, you can do it whichever way your teacher has done it with you. In my class in grade 3M, we use color. So, Miss Maxwell normally will go to question 1. I'll circle it in a color. So number 1 is pink. I'll do number 2 in a different color. My number 2 is green. Number 3 in a different color. Number 4 in a different color. Sorry, grade 3s, you can hear that we are definitely at school. It's like you're in class with us. Okay, and you keep going, each question in a different color. And then you go through the passage. Which score? Right. Once you've color-coded all your questions, you can go through your passage ready to underline. Miss Maxwell will look at number 1, which score could you not get on a test? All right. So if I look, I need my pink pencil crayon because I circled it in pink. Without an A, you could not get an A+ on a test. So I've found my answer. I'm underlining it in the right color. Voila, so I know that the pink underlined, it belongs to question 1. Right, the very last step is write answers in full sentences. Once you've underlined all your answers in the passage, you're going to get out your busy book, write the date, the heading, make sure you've underlined, ruled off, leave a line, and start. So you'll look at number 1, which score could you not get on a test? Find your underlined answer in the passage, and now write your answer down in your busy book in a full sentence and in your own words. Boys and girls, don't forget to put things in your own words. Make sure your sentence has a capital letter and a full stop. Make sure to check your spelling. Right, boys and girls, so let's just have a little reminder of our steps. Read aloud. If you remember the word read for step 1, examine the questions. Remember the word examine for number 2. Find the answers. Find for step 3. Underline answers. Underline for step 4. And write answers in full sentences. Full sentences for step 5. If you can remember those key words, you should find it easy when doing a comprehension.